We have this idea of superiority where animals are just lower than us, and they're not. And if you ever watch a video or go and play with an animal, if they can't talk human language, and some of them actually do, like some of them that can't even pronounce words if you train them, but that means that they understand. They can communicate. If something can communicate back to you, it means it has a conscious life. There's something in there that is talking to you. So who are we to tell them you're not, you're lower than me? We're actually doing that to people right now. You have a different skin of color skin. You're different nationality. Your flag is different. That is all the mind. Just making differences. Who cares about the mind that's making differences? Only people that care about the mind. They're completely lost in their thoughts.